friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. Today's recipe is chicken lollipop with masala wedges. So let's get started. First we are taking the chicken wings and we are going to show it step by step how we are going to make it into a lollipop. So we are going to cut it slightly on both the sides. Then we are going to push it down. You can do it with your hand. Now see how it is coming out. We'll flip it over. We are not removing the skin, with the skin itself we are doing. You can see how it has been folded down. Then we'll cut the skin slightly so that we can push it down, because we want it in one single bone. We don't want the entire bone. You have to take a lot of effort to do this. And should have enough patience to do this actually. See, now it is down. We are going to shape it a bit, and there our lollipop is ready. We'll wash it. There are washed lollipops already. You can see how it is done now. It's all cleaned up. Now to this we'll add 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Then we'll add 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then we'll sprinkle some half teaspoon of oregano, or you can use Italian spices or pizza seasoning. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and we'll mix it really well. Now I'll keep this to marinate for about 1 hour. Our marinated chicken is ready. To that we'll add 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Now add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Now add half a tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Then we'll add Eno or baking powder about 1/4 teaspoon. Then we'll crack 1 egg and we'll mix it up really well. If you're first time in our channel, please do subscribe. After mixing, we are just going to add 2 drops of food coloring just for the photograph. It's optional to you. You can add or you can skip it. There, our chicken lollipop is now ready. Now we're going to deep fry it. You can see how we are going to shape this before putting it in the oil. Please make sure to cook this into low to medium flame, and 8 minutes is the cooking time. Well, our chicken lollipops are now partially ready. It's crispy. We'll keep this aside. Next we are going to make is the masala wedges. That is nothing, simple. We're going to add the veggies in the same batter we have made the chicken lollipops. That's in the same bowl, and we are going to deep fry it. Just one thing to note is that you have to cook it in high flame for 2 minutes. Then we'll lower the flame and start stirring it. Now our masala wedges are also now ready. You can see how crispy it is. Now we'll make a sauce for coating our chicken. For that we'll take 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Then we are adding ginger garlic paste, or you can use the chopped ginger garlic, about 1 tablespoon, sauteed for a minute. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. We're going to just mix it up. Then we'll add to that 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. We'll make a thick sauce. Then we'll add some coriander leaves. We'll mix it all together. Then to this we are going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. The sauce is now ready. Now we'll add the chicken lollipops and we are going to coat it really well. Our chicken lollipops and masala wedges are now ready to be attacked. Make this easily at home and enjoy it. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications on time.